Hello everyone, good morning all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, accept my these three wishes because I can't decide what time you will going to watch. Maybe you can watch afternoon, so it is afternoon for you. If you will watch on evening, then evening time, right? So dear students, wait a minute, I am coming. Yes, so dear students, I already made you learn about the occupation, right? So, you already watched, I think, 2 or 3 lectures, which is based on chapter 5, occupation. And I told you that when we will meet in the next lecture, then we will discuss about the farming and the irrigation. So now we start the discussion on farming as well as irrigation, right? So in my previous lecture we already discussed about the Indian agriculture. I already made you learn about the Indian agriculture. So what those points which I made you write in my previous lecture is that the 70% of Indian population are engaged in farming. 70% of Indian people, they are doing the farming. They adopted farming as a occupation, right? Understand? Okay, hope you understand well. Now then I made you learn about what are the requirements for agriculture. What are the main requirements for agriculture, for farming? When we will hear these two words, first farming or agriculture, when we will hear these words, then what is click is in our mind, उस समय हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? Then first scenario will come is in our mind is that the scenario, the image of a village. बेटा जब भी हम फार्मिंग की या एग्रीकल्चर की बात करते हैं ना, तो what first thing click is in our mind, what image will starts coming in our mind is that image of a village. Why? Because the most of the population, 70% of the population of India, they are engaged in the farming. They are doing farming. They are adopted farming as a occupation. तो सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में गांव की इमेज आती है, yes. Then फिर फार्मर की इमेज आती है और फिर खेतों की इमेज आती है. We can image so many fields. So, what are the requirements for farming? First, field, soil, climate, water. Soil, climate and water. I already explained you two is that different crops needs, or we can say they require different kinds of soil. है ना? किसी भी प्लेस की जो सॉइल होती है बेटा, वो ये डिसाइड करती है कि वहाँ पर कौन सी क्रॉप्स लगेगी. बिकॉज इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी डाइवर्सिफाइड कंट्री. आई ऑलरेडी spoke this line in my most of the lectures. So there is different kinds of climates in all over the India. ठीक है? And we adopted different food habits, cloth habits from the climate, right? But not only food habit, not only cloth habit, even the soil, मिट्टी भी वहाँ के क्लाइमेट पे डिपेंड करती है, वहाँ के वेदर पे डिपेंड करती है, राइट? सो इंडिया में तो वी आर ग्रोइंग सो मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स, बट all crops requirements are totally different. All crops requirements are completely different because they need different climates, they need different kinds of irrigation also, right? So today we will discuss about the irrigation. Why we will discuss on the irrigation? Because बेटा irrigation is the worst topic. ये बहुत विस्तार के साथ पढ़ सकते हैं. And when we will talk about the farming, then definitely irrigation is the most important part of the farming. Without water, no farmer can get the good crops. The first and the foremost requirement of a crops is irrigation, 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 right? So whatever is written in your book related with farming, first I will read all these things, then I will explain to you, right? So I am going to start this wala paragraph, farming, right? Okay, let's start. Farming is the main occupation in our country. About 70% of Indian people live in villages. They are farmers. Yes, I already made you learn in my first lecture that India is a country of the farmers, and the 70% of the farmers, they are doing the farming. They adopted as a farming. They grow many crops. They grow many types of crops such as food, grains, pulses, vegetable, cotton, jute, fruit, sugar cane, spice. All these things. So many kinds of crops. Names are written over here in your book, right? A farmer needs what? What is her first requirement? A farmer needs the flat surface, the plain surface, which we call the field, khet. This is the first requirement of a farmer. What is the number one? Flat surface, plain surface, field. He also need water to irrigate fields. Yes, I already told you that irrigation is the most important part of the farming. This water comes from the canals, tubewell, wells and the tank. Yes, these all are the sources of the waters. I already made you learn in my last lecture that rain is the main source of water. Beside the rain, we human created these artificial sources of water to get the water. So what are these sources? Canals, tubewell, wells and the tank. Many occupation depends on farming. Yes, farming is not only a one occupation. There are so many occupation which is related with the farming. This we will discuss in my next lecture. Today we will discuss only about the irrigation, only about the irrigation. Okay, so today we will discuss about irrigation, right? So dear student, when I make you learn about the first chapter, human body, in EVS there is first lecture, the human body, right? So in this chapter I made you learn that human body is made up with water. Human body has so many organs, so many parts. Human body has so many parts. Nose, fingers, eyes, ears, hair, forehead, cheeks, chin, chest, shoulder, hands, fingers, palm, thighs, elbows. So many parts of the body. These parts of the body you can see because it is external parts. And we have some internal organs. We have some internal organs which you can't see with your naked eyes, right? So in that chapter I told you that human body is made up with 70% of water. Human body is made up with 70% of water, right? This I told you, है ना? As like human body, plants and crops also need what? They also need water. We human beings to need 70% water in our body, but plants and crops, they need 90% water to grow up well. We human beings to need only 70%, but plants, fields, crops needs the 90% water. Human plants also contain almost 90% of water, right? Ab this question beta is in your mind that most of the time when we will see, I will give you a small example. When we will feel thirsty, we will drink water, right? Especially in summer season, we all feel thirsty again and again, and the summer season is a season when we have not only the water, but we will go with so many kinds of juices also. समर में बेटा हम सिर्फ पानी ही नहीं पीते हैं, समर में हम पानी के साथ साथ बहुत सारे टाइप के शरबत और जूस भी पीते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि समर में बाहर देयर इज सो मेनी हीट्स आउटसाइड, बहुत गर्मी, बहुत धूप है. सो जितना भी पानी, शरबत, जूस हम पीते हैं वो सब हमारा बॉडी कंज्यूम कर लेता है, सो समर सीजन आवर बॉडी रिक्वायर्ड मच ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है. लेकिन पानी के साथ साथ अपार्ट फ्रॉम द वाटर वी ऑल्सो हैव सो मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ जूसेस लाइक ऑरेंज जूस, pineapple juice, sugar cane juice, mango juice, milk shake, रूह अफ़ज़ा शरबत, और so many kinds of शरबत and the fruit juice we are having especially in the summer season. तो यहाँ पर तो हम सिर्फ पानी की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पानी के अलावा भी हम लोग और क्या लेते हैं? जूस लेते हैं, शरबत, गन्ने का रस, संतरे का रस, मौसम्बी का रस, पाइनएप्पल का रस, मिल्क शेक, मैंगो शेक, कितनी सारी चीज़ें हम पीते हैं पानी के अलावा भी. तो पानी, वाटर इज़ द मेन सोर्स विच रिक्वायर्ड आवर बॉडी स्पेशली इन समर. तो ये बाकी के क्यों पीते हैं हम? क्यों पीते हैं बाकी के? कभी सोचिए ये बात कि हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी तो बिल्ड अप विथ 70% ऑफ वाटर, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी तो हम ये मौसम्बी का जूस, संतरे का जूस, पाइनएप्पल जूस, गन्ने का रस, फलाना रस, मिल्क शेक, ये शेक, रूह अफ़ज़ा, टैंग, दुनिया ज़माने के शरबत और क्यों पीते हैं? पानी से भी तो हम पेट भर सकते हैं, पानी से हमारी बॉडी की ज़रूरत को पूरा कर सकते हैं. देन व्हाई वी हैव all these kinds of extra sources to fulfill the requirement of our body. What are those? See, इस साइड तो ये वाटर है, ठीक है, दिस इज वाटर, है ना, ये पानी तो हमने पिया, बट पानी के अलावा भी जो और टाइप के जूस हम पी रहे हैं, that is also gone where? Inside your stomach. It is also fulfilling the requirement of water in your body, which is most needed during the summer season. These all are the extra ones which you are taking in the form of water. Liquid ही है ना बेटा ये भी, which you all are taking in the form of water. But these all things are extra. So, as like human body, crops also need the water, and entire year is not a rainy season. पूरे साल सिर्फ बारिश का सीजन नहीं होता है. Seasons are keeps changing. So during the summer season and the winter season, by using the canals, by using the tube wells, by using the wells, by using the small tanks, we all are fulfilling the requirement of the crops. This is the irrigation. This is the irrigation. Understand? So like human body, plants and the crops also needs the water. Rainy season में तो we are getting water automatically from rain. But what about all these seasons like winter and summer? So during these seasons we are fulfilling the requirement of the crops by using tubewell, wells, canals and small tanks, right? So here what is the definition of irrigation? You understood by all these discussion, whatever I spoke to you, what you can understand? What is the definition of irrigation? So the process of supplying water to crops is known irrigation. The process of supplying water, the process of supplying water to the crops, is known as irrigation. Is known as irrigation. Understood? This is the definition of irrigation. irrigation क्या होती है, इसका वन लाइन में डेफिनेशन है ये. The process of supplying water, the process of supplying water to the crop is known as irrigation. Is known as irrigation. So we will discuss more about the irrigation, right? So up, this is the answer of your question is what is an irrigation? What is an irrigation? दिस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये है, द प्रोसेस ऑफ सप्लाइंग वाटर टू द क्रॉप्स इज नोन एज इरिगेशन, राइट? सो what type, I already told you that पानी के अलावा भी apart from the water we also have so many kinds of juices, है ना? पानी के अलावा भी बेटा हम बहुत तरह के जूस भी पीते हैं। ऐसे ही apart from the rain there are so many various sources of water, there are so many various sources, there are so many various sources of water is there, so many sources of water is there to fulfill the requirement of crops, to fulfill the requirement of crops. So what are they? What are they? They are wells, tube wells, small tank, and canal, and canals, river. These are the extra resources, various resources, this word various. So these are the various resources, wells, tube wells, small tank, canals, river and pond. These are the extra sources, these are the various resources of water. By using them we are filling the requirement of the water in the fields. Okay, so now this question will click is in your mind, beta. See, now I will give you a small example so you can understand in a better manner. When you do the planting at your home, ठीक है? So how much water you will put in your plant? अगर आपने अपने घर के गार्डन में कोई प्लांट लगाया है तो आप उस प्लांट को कितना पानी देते हो? 1 मग, 2 मग, 3 मग? मुझे नहीं लगता इससे ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत पड़ती है अगर वो किसी गमले में है तो। अगर आपने किसी प्लांट को लगाया है और उसे आपने गमले में लगाया है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप उसको 1 मग, 2 मग, 3 मग पानी दोगे, और अगर आपने उसको ज़मीन में लगाया तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 बकेट, 1 बाल्टी से ज़्यादा पानी तो नहीं लगेगा, है ना? But you ever think that how much water is required in the field? What is the frequency? What is the rate? What is the amount is needed when we do irrigation in our field? So our next question is that how much water is needed for field? कितना पानी लगेगा? How much water is required for field? Have you ever think about this? No. Okay, no problem. I will tell you that, beta, the requirement of the water, it's completely depends on the crops, on the soil, on the climate, requirement the requirement of water is depends on first climate. Okay, whatever requirement is there, it is completely depends on the climate. पूरी तरह क्लाइमेट पर डिपेंड करती है बेटा, completely. I will give you a small example. Okay, so you can understand in a better manner. When we will talk about the summer season is the season when sun is very very hot. Sun is very angry. During the summer season, sun feel very angry. बहुत गुस्सा होता है वो. That is why he is throwing so much heat on the earth. इसलिए जमीन पर बहुत गर्मी होती है. He is throwing the heat on the earth. Right? So we human beings need much of water, especially in the summer season. Much of water. We most of the time we are feeling thirsty. We are feeling so very thirsty and we are having water again and again. बार बार प्यास लगती है, बार बार पानी पीते हैं. And we are not having the water only, but extra sources to fulfill the requirement of our body water. We are taking the so many kinds of juices. Banana juice, orange juice, mango juice, pineapple juice, sugar cane juice, lassi, छाछ, so many things we are drinking in the summer season. Apart from the water, पानी के अलावा भी इतनी सारी चीज़ें हम और पीते हैं ताकि हम अपने शरीर की पानी की ज़रूरत को पूरा कर सकें. But when winter season will come, do we drink all these things? In winter season we will drink the sugar cane juice. Answer is no. In winter season we are drinking the pineapple juice. So answer is no. In winter season we are having the milkshake. No. Winter season में रूह अफ़ज़ा का शरबत पीते हैं. No. Winter season में छाछ पीते हैं. No. Because winter season में हमारी क्लाइमेट जो है वो ऑलरेडी कूल है, ठंडा है. So all these extra sources our body is not required. But during winter season हमें प्यास भी कम लगती है बेटा, क्योंकि हमारा क्लाइमेट तो ठंडा है, चारों तरफ तो ठंड हो रही है, तो हमें उस समय प्यास भी कम लगती है, तो हम पानी भी कम पीते हैं. लेकिन during winter season we all are having so many kinds of soup. लौकी का सूप, बॉटल गॉड सूप, टमाटो सूप, है ना, देन पालक का सूप. विंटर सीजन इज द सीजन ऑफ सूप्स. विंटर सीजन में तो वी आर नॉट ड्रिंकिंग दी जूसेस, वी आर हैविंग दी सूप. हम विंटर सीजन में सूप पीते हैं पानी के अलावा, टू फुलफिल आवर बॉडी रिक्वायरमेंट. अब जैसे सीजन चेंज हुआ हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट भी चेंज हो गई. समर में तो हम पानी के साथ साथ इतने सारे टाइप के जूस पी रहे थे क्योंकि गर्मी थी, सूरज बहुत आग उगल रहा था. लेकिन जैसे ही विंटर सीजन आता है तो हमारी पानी की रिक्वायरमेंट भी कम हो गई, हम पानी भी कम पीते हैं और हम जूस पीना भी बंद कर देते हैं. जितने भी हम एक्स्ट्रा जूस ले रहे थे वो भी बंद कर देते हैं. विंटर में हम सूप पीते हैं. सूप इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लिक्विड which we are taking to fulfill the water requirement of our body. विंटर में हमें प्यास कम लगती है, लेकिन हमारी बॉडी को पानी की ज़रूरत होती है, बट तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको सूप के फॉर्म में लेते हैं. विंटर में हम जूस नहीं पीते, सूप पीते हैं. समर में हम सूप नहीं पीते, हम ढेर सारे तरह के जूस पीते हैं. सो वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन क्लाइमेट. सो मैं आपको यहाँ पर ये समझाना चाहती हूँ बेटा कि दी वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन दी क्लाइमेट ओनली. complete depends on the climate only. So as like our human body, during summer season crops need more water. Human body needs more water during summer season. Am I right? Yes. As like human body, crops also need more water during summer season. Crops also need more water during summer season. Right? Understand? Okay. And during summer season, sun is very hot. Sun gives us so many heat. If we will not give the proper water to the plant will not grow up well. वो तो सूख जाएगा. As like similarly, if we will not give much of water, if we will not fulfill the requirement of that particular crops which we have in our field, it will not grow properly. वो सूख जाएगी बेटा पानी की कमी के कारण. So it is very necessary to have the proper requirement, to fulfill the proper water requirement according to the season. Right? So today we will learn only this much better. Today we will learn only this much. Okay, so I am going to wrap and I am going to write the point of some whatever we discuss, every discussion has the some good points and some bad points. Whatever we will discuss, we have the conclusion also. जो भी आगे हम डिस्कस करते हैं उसका कुछ ना कुछ कंक्लूजन तो होता ही है. So I am going to write here point to be remember. Whatever we discuss, we took out some points. Okay, so points to be remember. Whatever we discuss, we will write over here. First, what? As like human body, crops also needs the water. This is point number 1. As like human body, plants and crops also need water. Okay, this is point number 1. Right, then we discuss about the irrigation, and I told you the definition of a irrigation. What is irrigation? How we can explain irrigation in one line में irrigation को कैसे explain करेंगे? So the definition of irrigation is the process of number 2, the process of supplying water to the crops as known irrigation, as known irrigation. The process of supplying water to the crops as known irrigation, as known irrigation, right? So fulfilling the requirement of the crops, there are various sources of water. See, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, I already told you that we are having the water and we are having some extra sources. We have juice, we have soup. These all are the extra sources to fulfill the water requirement of human body. As like we have various sources of water to fulfill the requirement of the crops. Okay, so number 3, there are various sources of water. There are various sources of water. Okay, so what are they? They are wells, tube well, small tank, pond, river and canal. And canals. These are the various sources of the water. These are the various sources of the water to fulfill the requirement of the field. Okay, so how much water is required? What is the frequency? Number 4, how much water is required? कितने पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? कितने पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? And what is the frequency, or what is the water rate? These questions we can write four types. How much water is required? कितने पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है? ठीक है. What is the frequency? उसकी मात्रा कितनी होनी चाहिए? Quantity. What is the water rate? These are the 3 various ways. ये 3 तरीके से मैंने एक ही क्वेश्चन को लिखा है बेटा. 3 तरह से मैंने एक ही क्वेश्चन को लिखा है कि हाउ मच वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड, कितना पानी चाहिए. व्हाट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी, व्हाट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी, ये भी वही है सेम, कितना पानी चाहिए. व्हाट इज द वाटर रेट, ये भी वही है, कितना पानी चाहिए. सो आई रोट इन 3 वेरियस वेज. सेम क्वेश्चन बट type of writing is different. I used various ways. I used different words. Here I use requirement, here I use frequency, here I use rate. So as like that, these all are the different sources of the water. right? So frequency of the water, rate of the water, amount of the water is completely depends on the different crops, है ना? So here I am going to write number 6. The frequency of water, or we can say that the rate of the water is completely depends on different crops. Completely depends on different crops, right? So the frequency of water, or we can say that the rate of the water is completely depends on the different crops. It is not similar for the all crops to have the same frequency of the water, to have the same rate of the water, to have the same amount of the water. No, it is not required. Every crops needs the different frequency, different amount of the water. It depends on that particular crops. It's completely depends on that particular crops, and not only the crops, soil and season, or we can say climate. Right? So these 6 points you will write down in your notebook, and along these 6 points you will draw the picture, or you can paste the picture of different various sources of water. Okay, so along with this I am giving you a small homework. Draw, or you can paste the, आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो और आप पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. ड्रॉ और पेस्ट the pictures of various water sources. Various water sources. Various water sources. Right, so I am not in front of the camera, so you can take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot. Okay, these all are the points which we have to need to remember when we will learn about the irrigation. Number 1, as like human body, plants and crops also need water. Number 2, the process of supplying water to the crops as known irrigation. Number 3, there are various sources of water. The names of various sources are wells, tube wells, small tank, pond, river and canal. Number 4, how much water is required? What is the frequency? What is the water rate or amount? So the frequency of water, or we can say that the rate of the water is completely depends on different crops, soil, season, climate. Right? Along with these, I gave you one small homework. You can draw. If you want to draw, you can draw, or you can paste also. आप draw भी कर सकते हो, चिपका भी सकते हो the picture of various water sources. So what are the various water sources? Wells, tube wells, small tank, pond, rivers and all. Okay. So this is enough learning from my side to you. much we learned today. We will go slowly बेटा. हमको यहाँ पर चीज़ों को धीरे धीरे सीखने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज यू ऑल आर दी ग्रोन अप चाइल्ड. अभी आप बहुत बड़े भी नहीं हो और बहुत छोटे भी नहीं हो. सो दीज थिंग्स विल कम इन योर माइंड slowly, राइट. सो दिस मच लर्निंग इज इनफ फ्रॉम टुडे from my side to you. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. Keep watching, keep reading, keep learning, keep liking. If you are liking, if you are enjoying my learning, then give me more likes. Bye.